So recently, not on camera, I put this wall up right here. And it's not really putting a wall up, I just put some plywood on the purlin and studded it out so that I can hang things up here. And I'm gonna hang things up here eventually, but I'm gonna go ahead and extend this wall, not at 8 foot, but at 5 foot, which is the height of the purlin you can see over here, all the way down, because I think I'm gonna end up moving my miter saw station to this wall. I think I might have mentioned that in my shop tour video. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and film what I did. I'm not telling you this is the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it. I'm just saying this is the way I did it. This is really my first experience doing anything kind of really like this. So make sure you read the comments below, because people will definitely tell you what they think if I'm doing it wrong. So check those comments out. They may give me some tips on how to do this better, and I'll do a follow-up video in the future on a better way to do this according to the comments after I do some more research based on what they say and looking. Off camera, I've already used a 2x4 and my level to make sure this is pretty much plumb up and down. It is off a little bit, but it's gonna match this other wall, and actually this purlin is not quite as straight going across there as you'd like for it to be. So this should work just fine right here. I have a concrete bit in here and I've already set it to the depth that I would like it to go. That is nowhere near deep enough, but what I want to do is go ahead and put that screw in there, check my board again, and then lay out a few spots where I want to put screws, and go back and go ahead and drill my holes now. Now I'm going to go back and go ahead and drill holes where I want all these to go. So I've gone down through here and measured, and most of these are 58 3/4 or really close. So I'm going to go to my miter saw and cut them at 58 3/4. Some of these on this thing down here might be a little bit less than that, maybe more like 58 and 5/8, but I'm just going to cut them 58 3/4. And if I need to trim them off, I'll trim them off when I get down here. So I've gone down to my boards, I've marked my line where it should line up at. I put an X on the side the stud should go. And then just for extra measure, I've gone ahead and cut this board here. That'll be a spacer. So what I want to do is line that board up at the bottom. It's 14.5 inches long, and that should put all my marks where they're supposed to be. All my boards are on the marks where they're supposed to be. So I've already put in the first two, and it's back there in the corner. It's kind of hard to see, but let's go ahead and do this next one. And I've been putting one on each side and then one here in the middle. And then we'll do one on the back side. Line this up where it's level and drill a hole through our top plate here into this 2x4. Check it one more time. Now for myself, I think we're gonna be putting plywood on the front of this, screwing it here and this front piece. So I think that one screw is more than enough. It just keeps it from moving back because it's not gonna go forward because of your groove you cut. So I've got these all lined up and in their spot. And now we're ready to come back and put the plywood on here. We'll start in this corner down here and work our way this way. So I'm not real sure where my video cut out, but I've already tacked this in place. When I say tack it, I got 3 screws in it. And now I'm gonna come back and put some more screws in it. So nothing real significant happened off camera, but I thought I was recording, and I went ahead and marked. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I marked all the studs up and down. So now I'm gonna go back and just drill a little hole to get me started on these. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to this top plate. I use self-tapping screws to attach this to the purlin. Alright, and this wall is done. Thanks again for watching, and as always, y'all will see me next time.